Hi, I'm Dave Francis, National Safety Director for Little Giant Ladders, and this is the Velocity. The Velocity is a multi-purpose ladder, one ladder that does it all. Seems like it's complicated, but it's very easy to operate. Simply press the palm buttons at the top inward, and they lock into position, and then rotate that open. And as soon as it gets to that next usable position, which is the A-frame, those hinges will lock in by themselves. To use it as a bigger A-frame ladder, simply press the bottom of the rock lock on either side, push the inner section of the ladder away from you. That allows this outer section to telescope down, giving you a bigger ladder. You don't need to line those up visually, just lock them into place. And then when you get to that next usable rung, it'll lock when it gets there. Same thing on the other side, lock those back into place. Now if I'm going to work up against a wall or into a corner, push those rock locks again and drop this ladder down one rung, lock them back into place. Simply place this ladder up against the wall or into that tight corner. Now if you're going to work on any kind of sloped or uneven ground, say like a curb or landscaping, you can simply raise that up. If you're going to go into something a little more extreme like a ramp or a desk or a staircase, lock those into place. Now I have a ladder that I can safely use up and down a stairwell. Now if you need to get up onto the roof, you can use this ladder in an extension position as well. To do that, press those hinge locks again, rotate that ladder all the way out flat on the ground. Press the rock locks here on the side, telescope that out however many rungs you need to. Squeeze that rock lock, lock it back into place. Then extend the other side of the ladder simply by pressing those rock locks. Telescope that outer section out to your desired height. Now once you have it into the length that you want, make sure that the wheel side, or those wheels at the top of the ladder, are going to be at the top of your extension. Place the bottom of your extension up against the wall that you're going to be working on, and then use that as leverage so that as you go, that will hold the bottom of your ladder. Then hand over hand, rung over rung, walk that ladder up, then pull the base of the ladder out and put that ladder at that 4-to-1 angle that you have for extension ladders. Easy way to tell if it's at a 4-to-1 angle, put the toes, your toes at the foot of the ladder, hold your hand straight out, put the palm of your hand on the rung at shoulder height. That's going to get your ladder pretty close to that 4-to-1, 75.5-degree angle every time. Now to get the ladder back down, reverse that process, pick up the bottom of the ladder, push it in towards the wall that you're working against, and then hand over hand, rung over rung, walk that back down in a controlled way and set that back down on the ground. Then unlock those rock locks, lock them back into place, do the other side, push those palm buttons. Now raise that ladder back up. That puts you back into your A-frame position. Now in the storage position, it's going to store at 4.5 feet, about 8 inches wide. Has those tip and glide wheels at the bottom. As soon as you get to a certain angle, those wheels will engage. Now you can roll that ladder wherever you need to so you don't have to carry it. Just roll it to where you need to, tip it up, press those palm buttons, and get to work. That's the Velocity by Little Giant Ladder Systems. Climb safe and climb on.